Hi, this is my next video on how to use a Flexi Flip. The Flexi Flip has a pin with notches on both sides. The reason for that is that you can wear it two different ways. You can wear it with the curve going down, which I call the loose side, or flip the pin over, and now the curve is going upward, and I call that the tight side. You notice that there's nothing in the center there except that little clip to stop you from wearing it two different ways. So the first way I'm going to show you is a ponytail, and I'm using it with the tighter side. So as I explained before, I usually twist my hair a couple times just to make it neater and easier. Then I place the pin underneath, the clip on top, guide the clip into the pin, and then I always push the pin with my right hand to make sure it's good and tight. So that's your ponytail with the tight side. Secondly, I'm going to show you how to do a twist. And now I'm going to use the looser side. So I'm going to put my hair up in a twist. You can do this in a twist or a bun, tails up, anything that you'd like. Now I'm going to take the other side, so it's a bigger side, slide it underneath, guide the clip into the pin, push with your finger. And that's how you make the second one. So easy.